Okay, and now now we're ready to get started. And I'd like to start by thanking everyone for participating in ABCA's public roll call hearings via the WebEx platform provided by the DC Office of Open Government. My name is Laverne Fletcher. I'll be conducting the roll call hearings as the board's agent. There are 2 cases on the calendar today. The first case is Cinco Soles, case number 25PRO00011, MVA LLC, 3418 11th Street Northwest, license number ABRA 113227. This is a retailer class CR restaurant for a substantial change and a request for live entertainment inside the premises. My name is Laverne Fletcher, conducting the roll call hearing as the board's agent. The protest issues in this case are adverse impact on peace, order, and quiet. Is anyone here on behalf of the applicant?
Yes. Good morning. Anna DeLeon, representing MVA LLC, Cinco Soles Restaurant, and Mauricio Arias.
Thank you, Ms. DeLeon. Would you spell your name for the record, please?
ANA DeLeon, DELEON.
And is the owner present as well?
Yes. Mauricio, ¿pudiera usted presentarse también?
Ok. Sí, mi nombre es Mauricio Arias.
Would you like me to translate? Good morning.
Yeah, you can, Ms. DeLeon. If we had known that Mr. Arias needed a translator, I would have provided one today, but if you could do that this morning, that would be great. We just need the spelling of Mr. Arias's name.
¿Trae su nombre, Mauricio?
Oh, it's MAURICIO. My last name is ARIAS.
Gracias. Is anyone present on behalf of the group of 7?
Attendees?
When you say group of 7, do you mean the folks that are protesting against it, or?
I mean, well, is Mr. Dubester here?
Yeah.
So, Mr. Dubester, I'm just looking for you. I think your number is, what's your number? Does it end in 86?
They're asking for you.
Oh, I'm here. Richard Dubester. I just couldn't get in.
Oh, no problem. Thank you very much. Could you state your name and spell it for the record, please?
Richard Dubester.
Okay, if you would spell it for the record, please.
1102 Monroe Street, Northwest, Washington, D.C.
And if you would spell your name for the record as well.
DUBESHTER.
And Richard?
Yes.
Would you spell Richard, please?
RICHARD.
Thank you very much. Mr. Bester, are there any other members from your group present today?
I don't.
Yes. Jeanette Fortune?
Yes.
Jeanette Fortune, can you hear me?
I sure can. If you could state your name one more time.
Jeanette Fortune. I'll spell it for you. JEANETTE. Last name is F like Frank, O-R, T-U-N like Norman E.
F-O?
Like a fortune teller. F-O-R, T-U-N like Norman E.
Okay, I got it.
But, hey, I wish I had a fortune, but whatever. Okay.
Thank you very much. Anybody else?
Okay. You want my address?
Stephen Capace, STEVEN, Capace, CAPACE, and I'm at 1209 Park, and my The back of
And
my
I
house
won't need
is with the,
the address as long as you sign the protest letter. I
You
actually
got
don't
it.
need the address. Stephen, did you say Steven?
correct.
And can you spell the last name one more time?
Sure, it's CAP as in Peter, ACE.
Okay. Anybody else?
John Henderson,
Mr. Henderson, if you would spell your name, please.
John, John, Henderson, Henderson.
Is anyone else present from the group? Anyone else? I saw Miss Pear. Can you hear me? So Miss Pear, I don't know if you can hear me, but you're on mute, but I know you're a member of this group because you contacted me. I see you, but I don't know if you can hear me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to note your presence, but you are on mute, but I have recorded the fact that you're present today. Anyone else from the group present today?
No,
Okay,
I don't know. I had it up
okay.
and it just disappeared.
There are 5 individuals present from the group today, which means that the group is granted full standing as a protestant. And I'll just note for the record that someone by the name of Elena Delgado's name is on your protest letter, but she is not recognized as a protestant because she did not sign the protest letter. So there is otherwise the entire group is granted standing as a protestant. We need to set a date for mediation, a protest hearing, and a status hearing. But before I do that, Ms. De Leon, do you want me to schedule a Spanish language interpreter going forward?
Let me ask Mauricio. Mauricio, vamos a tener que tener otra audiencia. Entonces, ella quiere saber si quiere usted que ella pida un traductor para usted. ¿Me escucha?
Sería buena idea, sí. Sí, sí.
No.
Yes.
I-
Yes, Ms. Fletcher, please, if you can do that.
Thank you.
You can request one. Thank you.
Sure will. Just 1 second.
Spend money and
Okay, so we need to set a date for mediation, a status hearing, and a protest hearing. I'm going to give you the dates for the status and protest hearing first. The status hearing is set for, so what, someone's telephone number that ends in 86. Could you mute yourself? I'm hearing sounds in the background. Someone whose number ends in 86. You could put yourself on mute.
Okay, is that better now?
I'll let you know in a minute.
Okay.
The status hearing is scheduled for April the 9th, 2025 at 10:30 a.m. The protest hearing is set for May 7, 2025 at 1:30 p.m. We need to set a date for mediation, and you'll receive an official hearing notice of those dates as well. I'm going to give you the next available date for mediation.
Ms. Fletcher, could you just tell, I'm just curious, who are the other people on the line? I've seen a lot of faces and names.
If you could state your name for the court reporters as well. then I'll answer that question for you.
This is Stephen Capace. I'm just curious, there's a lot of other people on the line that did not announce themselves. I'm just curious who they are, what their roles are.
Well, there's more than one case on the calendar today.
Oh,
those
okay.
are-
Gotcha.
Yeah, so those would be the other people and the
Roger
court
that.
reporters.
Gotcha.
You- The next available day for mediation is Wednesday, March the 19th, at 11:30 or 1:30. That's Wednesday, March 19 at 11:30 or 1:30. That's the next available day for mediation. So I need to know if the applicant is available at that time, and
Miss Laverne, yes. Miss Fletcher, yes, we would be available. We're willing to work. I don't know with everyone else, what their availability is, but if we can just come to a time, I think either one would work. Thank you.
you're very welcome.
Mauricio,
so
just let me let him know. Mauricio, 11:30 o 1:30 de la tarde, el miércoles 19 de marzo, le estoy dejando saber que cualquiera de las 2 horas estamos disponible para mediación con las personas que están protestando, ¿ok?
Sí, está bien.
Okay, yeah. Mauricio is in agreement as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Dubester, is that a good day for you, the 19th at either 11:30 or 1:30?
Sure.
You have a preference?
It's webinar, correct? Or in person?
Yes, yes, it
Webinar's
is.
fine.
What
Either
time?
is fine. 11:30 was fine.
11:30? Okay, so then let's set mediation for Wednesday, March 19 at 11:30. And I will send out the WebEx invitation for the mediation. And just FYI, the WebEx invitation for the status and protest hearing is sent by another member of the staff, but I'll be sending you the invite for the mediation. And I'll request the interpreter for Mr. Arias as well. Any questions at all? Okay, well, thank you for coming. The roll call hearing in the matter of Cinco Soles is concluded. Thank you.
Great day. Thank you.
You
Thank
do
you.
the same. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The next case on the calendar is Smoke Jumpers. This is case number 25PRO00013. LeDroit Smoke Shop LLC, 1412 14th Street Northwest, license number ABRA 128634. This is a new medical cannabis retailer for a new medical cannabis application with a delivery endorsement. My name is Laverne Fletcher. I'll be conducting the roll call hearing as the board's agent. The protest issues in this matter are adverse impact on peace, order, and quiet. Is anyone present on behalf of Smoke Jumpers?
Yes, Ryan White, I am.
Mr. White, would you please spell your name for the record?
RyanWhite.
Thank you very much. Is anyone present on behalf of ANC 2F? Thank you. Mr. Rubenstein, you're on mute. I see you though.
David, David, Rubenstein, Rubenstein. I'm 2F01.
2F01. Thank you very much. Mr. Rubenstein, is anyone else present on behalf of ANC 2F today?
No.
Okay, thank you very much. So I see a couple of other names that I'm not familiar with. So who's Marlon White?
Hello, I'm a partner of Ryan White.
Oh, okay, thank you. Could you state your name for
Yep.
the record and spell it, please?
Marlon White, Marlon, last name White, like the color white, White.
Thank you, Mr. White. And what about Mr. Is it Zhu or who? The last name?
It's Joe. It is.
The ZHOU is pronounced Zoe.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I'm the counsel for smoke jumpers.
Okay, thank you. Just 1 second. Are you going to be entering your appearance, Mr. Joe?
I think I filed the application for them, so I already have appearance that way.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So I don't have your email address, Mr. Joe. So normally I would have sent the WebEx invitation to you as their legal representative, but I actually don't have it. Do you want to put it in the chat, or do you want to tell me what it is?
Yes, I'll put it in the chat.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. The other two numbers, the court reporter. ANC 2F does have standing as a protestant. Second. We need to set a date for a status hearing, protest hearing, and a mediation. I'll give you the date for the status and protest hearings first. Status hearing is set for March 26th, 2025 at 10:30 a.m. The protest hearing is set for April the 9th, 2025 at 1:30. We need to set a date for mediation, and I'll give you the next available day. The next available day for mediation is Thursday, March the 20th. Anytime between 10:30 and 1:30. That's Thursday, March the 20th. Anytime between 10:30 and 1:30.
I think 10:30 is fine for ANC2F.
That was 10:30. Okay, so if 10:30 is like okay for the applicant, then we'll set it for 10:30 on Thursday, March the 20th.
Ryan, does that work for you?
Yeah, that's good.
That's good. That's
Yes,
good for
ma'am.
you, Mr. Joe?
Yeah, good. Work good with me too.
Okay, mediation is set for 10:30 on Thursday, March 20. Mr. Joe, before you go, let me make sure I got your, well, there we have it. Okay, thank you. Want to make sure I had your email address.
Thank you.
Okay. Any questions, anyone?
Ms. Fletcher, can I just ask a quick question for Ryan and Marlon White? And is that okay?
Yes, and who's speaking?
David Rubenstein.
Yes, Mr. Rubenstein.
Okay, Ryan, Marlon, I believe Joe Florio sent you an email maybe a few days ago or a week ago, which he's waiting to respond to you with a draft settlement agreement. So if you didn't get it, let me know.
Yes, we got it.
Great, great.
If this matter is resolved prior to mediation, you can let me know, or if you get to a point where you need to finalize some terms, just appear for the mediation and we can do that. If you submit the agreement before mediation, then it'll be canceled. If the board approves the settlement agreement, they will cancel the status hearing and the protest hearing.
Okay.
So unless I hear otherwise, I will see you on the 20th at 10:30, and thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. The roll call hearing in this matter is concluded.
Thank you, Ms. Fletcher. I don't have any questions. I
You're
hope you
very
enjoy your
welcome.
Monday.
You got all your spellings today?
I do, yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll see you next time.
Thank you. See you next time. Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.